Hello friends, myself Gautam Kotari. Welcome to binary tree tutorial. In this video we will see how to check if a given tree is a BST. Now BST means binary search tree. I hope you must be knowing what is BST. If you don't know, so just Google it and we will just see the code part in C++. So let's move to the code part. We have already seen create function, traversal functions, height, then mirror image of a tree. You can see these videos. I will share the links in the description box. So we'll just move to the check BST part, if a tree is a BST or not. So we'll write two functions, one to check if it is a BST, else not a BST, right? So we write that function here which will return a boolean value. So if root is empty, that is there is no data, so it is true that the given tree is a BST because there is no data, right? Now we will move to the left part and check if root arrow data is less or equal to L arrow data, that is it's the false condition, because then it won't be a BST. You must be knowing that in BST left data should be smaller than the root data, and root data and right arrow data should be greater than the root data. Then we call the tree as a BST. And finally we will return, call the function recursively. So let's call the function in the main and see if the code works. So let's assume if a tree is a BST, and let's see if it works or not. So left of 10 should be less than 10, so it is 9, minus 1, minus 1, right of 10 should be greater, 11, minus 1, minus 1. So you can see it is a BST. So let's see another test case. So let's assume the root to be 10, left of 10 will be 11, which is a false condition, right? And right of 10 is 9, which should be greater than 10, but we are putting 9 to see if code works or not. So it should not be a BST, right? And right, we got the answer. It is not a BST. So guys, if you like, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.